Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name's Sam and today we're going to be talking about a tool that every trader should have in their arsenal, a trading journal. We'll explore why every trader should have one, how to create one, and discuss its genuine benefits. Before we get started, feel free to comment down below with any questions or interesting insights. And make sure you stick around till the end of the video so you don't miss out on anything important. Alright, let's get started. So what exactly is a trading journal? Well, think of it as your personal trading diary. It's a useful record of all your trades, the strategies you used, and the outcomes of those trades. It's a way to track your progress, learn from your mistakes, and improve your trading skills over time. When creating your trading journal, it's crucial to follow these steps to ensure accurate and effective maintenance. First, you need to choose your format. Decide whether you want to use a physical notebook, a spreadsheet like Excel or Google Sheets, or a specialized trading journal software. Each format has its advantages. A notebook is easy to jot down quick thoughts, but harder to analyze data. Spreadsheets are flexible, easy to customize and analyze, and software often includes built-in analytics and tracking features. Then you need to set up its basic structure. Your trading journal should have sections for each trade you make. At a minimum, include the following columns: date, when you entered and exited the trade; instrument, what you traded, for example, stock, forex pair, or crypto; entry price, the price at which you entered the trade; exit price, the price at which you exited the trade; the position size, how many units you traded; the direction, whether the trade was long or short; setup and strategy, the rationale or strategy behind the trade; conviction, rate your confidence in the trade, high, medium, low, and track the success of trades based on conviction levels; outcome, the result of the trade, such as profit or loss in dollars or percentage; and notes, any additional observations or thoughts on the trade. Consistency is key when maintaining your trading journal. Record every single trade you make, including the details listed above. And of course, get into the habit of recording the details of the trade directly after the trade, while it's still fresh. This way you won't have to remember what your reasons were for taking the trade. Make sure to do this only after placing your stop loss and take profit. This will provide a comprehensive data set for you to analyze. Remember, it's yours, so feel free to enhance your journal and personalize it as much as you like, making it as helpful as possible. You might even consider adding qualitative data to it to provide context and insights, such as general market conditions at the time of the trade, bullish, bearish, or volatile; your emotional state before, during, and after the trade; any mistakes made during the trade, or lessons that you learned. Next, it's essential to set aside regular times to review your trading journal, such as weekly or monthly. During these reviews, look for patterns and areas for improvement by identifying trends in your winning or losing trades, assessing the performance of different strategies, and recognizing if emotions are impacting your trading decisions. Finally, analyze and adjust. Based on your reviews, make adjustments to your trading strategies and practices. This continuous feedback loop will help you refine your approach and improve over time. Having a trading journal should be one of the first steps traders implement when learning to trade. A well-maintained journal serves as a powerful tool for continuous learning and development, helping traders stay disciplined and focused on their long-term goals. Therefore, make it a priority to create and maintain a detailed trading journal to enhance your trading journey. There you have it, folks. That should cover all the basics about creating and maintaining your personalized journal. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And since you got this far, here's 2 more videos that you might like. I'll see you soon.